Friends, welcome everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily send photos on WhatsApp without losing quality in original high resolution. Many times, we notice that when we send pictures on WhatsApp, the image becomes blurry or loses its quality. But with just one simple trick, you can send the same photo in full quality. So friends, make sure to watch the video till the end because I'll show you everything step by step. First, open WhatsApp on your phone. Then, open the chat of the friend you want to send the picture to. Normally, we send photos by tapping on the camera or gallery icon below, but today we'll do it a little differently. You'll see a paperclip icon at the bottom of the chat box. Tap on that. After tapping, you'll see several options appear. Now, click on the document option. Next, on your screen, you'll see a few choices like browse documents or choose from gallery. Select choose from gallery. Your phone's gallery will now open. From here, select the photo you want to send in high quality. You can even choose multiple photos at once if you like. Once all the photos are selected, tap on the checkmark icon on the bottom right corner. You'll notice that the photos are now being sent as documents. And here's the amazing part. When you send photos this way, they don't get compressed at all. The quality remains exactly the same as it was on your phone. So friends, this is how you can easily send high quality photos on WhatsApp just like a professional. Don't forget to let me know how you liked the video. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and if you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe and turn on the bell icon. Thank you and see you in the next video.